If you lost your job today, how long could you survive before going broke and into panic mode? Well, according to Go Banking Rates, over 30% of Americans would go broke after just 1 week if this happened to them. So that got me thinking, just how much money would I need at my age to be considered financially average, and lesser average? And what should my salary be? So I went on my phone and asked Siri, and she told me she had no idea. So after trading in my iPhone, I did my own research and here's what I found. Also, quick refresher. First, please like and subscribe so we can surpass our new rival, Julia Tries Ecom. More on her later. The second refresher is that your net worth is the value of your assets minus your liabilities. And I will skip student debt because I don't want to think about it. And if you do, then BetterHelp Therapy is here for you. Now, at the age of 18 to 24, if your net worth is around $39,000, then congratulations, you are just average. I hope this makes you happy, because if you are worth less than $10,000, then you wouldn't just be average, you'd be below average. Not just below average, bottom 25% average. Nobody wants that though, so to be considered rich at this age, you need to be worth over $100,000 and up, and this will place you in the top 10%. At this age, you're either in college or running from it. And if you're working, you'll be making $10,000 to $30,000 a year. Now, at the age of 25 to 34, you are supposed to be worth around $135,000 with anything under $25,000 being considered below average. To be in the top 10%, you would need to have sold hundreds of useless courses to be worth $400,000 and tell your fellow adults that you just gotta do what you gotta do. The average salary in this age range is from $40,000 to $70,000, and you're happy with that until you look behind you to see your loan repayment plan. At the age of 35 to 44, you need to be worth around $548,000 to be considered average in Biden's economy. And anything below $50,000 will have everybody think you voted for Kanye West in 2020. Now, if you somehow got yourself in the top 10%, then your net worth should be at least $1.3 million, and you've officially confused everybody because nobody knows how the f you got there unless you sold thousands of useless courses. The average salary at this age is between $60,000 and $100,000. Now, at the age of 45 to 54, you need to be worth $971,000 to be considered average, and if you're below $100,000, then the government values you at the bottom 25%. And if you manage to get through your midlife crisis and make your dream business idea come to life, this would give you a net worth of $2.4 million to boost you up to the top 10%. At this stage, your salary is around $70,000 to $120,000. I don't know who wrote these numbers, but I smell bullshit. Maybe someone smarter than me in the comments can confirm this. From 55 to 64, we're starting off strong with the expectations of you being worth around $1.56 million to be average amongst the 55 to 64-year-olds. If you find yourself below $250,000, then you are part of the bottom 25%. The top 10% at this age range are worth over $3.8 million. And at this age, if you're still working, you're either making too much or too little. And by little, I mean nothing because people that retire early decide this is the age to do it at. So the average salary here falls to a shocking $63,000, which isn't too bad, but is a step backwards. And it's understandable. If you're older than 65, then congratulations. Not only are you a chill guy or girl, but the government expects you to be worth $1.78 million while charging you $4 for a gallon of gas on a good day. And if you are worth under $300,000, then you are in the bottom 25%, and the top 10% are worth over $4.2 million. Now, on this list, we saw a lot of numbers that made me wonder just where the hell do these people get these numbers from before I remembered that I don't ever see 30% of my salary and realizing that net worth is just some crap, which is why I'm filing a lawsuit against the IRS for theft of my salary without my consent. And if you feel broke, don't worry because you can start making real money online now with the method I explained in this video up here. Before you click off, I would like to thank each and every single one of you who have watched, liked, or even subscribed to my channel because it really does mean a lot to me to see your support and criticisms, and it shows me that there are actually people who want to see what I make, and that makes me proud of doing what I'm doing. And after obliterating WealthFox USA with only one video to my surprise, our new target is to surpass Julia Tries Ecom before the end of the year. As usual, thank you for watching, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.